Well, I hope you enjoyed doing that as much as I did. I think we've got a really good result on this one. I think we used 6 colours on this. We didn't bother with any red in there. We could have put some little rosy type flowers in the foreground, but I think it looks great as it is. And the addition of that fence right at the end just gave it a nice focal point. So there you go. 6 colours and the hake brush. That's all it took to do this picture. Do your own. This was, like I say, this is a river near where I used to live, over in Stockport near Manchester, UK, and I saw it that often that I've committed it to memory, and it's different every time. We started off doing a misty picture, ended up as an autumnal picture, but that's the beauty of watercolour. You can just change it as you wish. You can stop at any time. At certain points in the tutorial looked like a misty scene. You could have stopped then and just done the foreground. It's up to you. Alright, so crack on, do it a few times, just use it, keep yourself just the hake brush. Enjoy yourself. Remember what it was like when you was a kid, when you just used to get a brush and some colours, bang it on the page. That's all you need to do. Alright then, hopefully I'll see you in another one of my courses soon. Bye now.